Whatever it is, being on ice kept it fresh.
What's up, everybody? It's Retro Nostalgic Nerd here, and today we're going to be going over Jetfire, or Skyfire, or Jetfire. In the cartoon, he was called Skyfire. The toy's called Jetfire. I never understood that, and they use a Robotech model for the toy. I never understood that either, but it didn't stop me from enjoying it when I was a kid. Jetfire, Skyfire, doesn't matter. And he was also Starscream's best friend. That really didn't make sense to me either. I can go on and on about things that don't make sense about this, but overall, it's a great toy.
Something's approaching from the south.
Alright everybody, here we are. Jetfire in plane mode. Very awesome. The level of detail is just extremely impressive. Alright, now I'm actually going to transform this one. Let's do it. Put these in. Lock those in place. Down. Don't make them like this anymore, folks. Almost there. A while since I transformed this. So that goes up there. That goes up there. So that folds down like that. And this, why that doesn't want to go to its home. Oh shit. Alright, so that's keep together. Cool. Put that back. Does that lock? Oh, sounds painful. Doesn't lock. Okay. It's very weak in the back. Usually you're not really supposed to be that weak in the back, but it is like 30 years old. Come on man, keep together. Alright, so that goes there. And these armor plates that come with it. And again, a lot of things that you can just lose being a kid and having this toy. But I gotta admit, it looks pretty sweet when it's all together. A lot of opportunities for plastic clips to break. You know what? Where the hell did this come from? Extra pieces. I think that's for the jet mode. He's got a gun. Hold the gun there. Alright, we're going to do this at the same time. We're going to play games. This toy's got chokes. Alright. Now we're going to cut to our beautiful model to show him in robot mode.
I don't understand.
Alright, we're back, and here he is in full robot form with all the armor. Let's take a look at it close up. Pretty awesome. I had some trouble getting the armor pieces on, as you know. And they're not really holding too well. And the back of his jet should be all the way back together. Like that. But they're not staying too... Well, there you go. We'll just do that. Flies around. All in all, folks, he's a great figure. You know, obviously, he's not aging that well. Or at least mine isn't. And pretty soon he'll be completely naked. And this is Jetfire or Skyfire. Call him whatever you want. I call him a great memory. Until next time, this is the Retro Nostalgic Nerd. Thanks for joining.
No orders from you. I am an Autobot now.